Hey guys, this is Anthony from E Talley Construction, where we make construction easy. Today we're taking a moment to talk to Nicole about her recent experience with E Talley Construction. We just recently completed a indoor-outdoor deck. What we mean by that, we put a roof on half of the deck, and we just wanted to check and see what her experience is with E Talley Construction. First of all, we just want to say thank you for taking out the time to be able to talk to us and let our viewers know what you felt about the experience with E Talley Construction.
Well, we have this outdoor amazing living space now, which is almost a second room onto our home. And the experience with E Talley was wonderful.
Great, great. What would you say is your favorite part of the outside space?
So our favorite part is how large the deck is, and that the fact that it's a whole nother room onto our house where we can entertain, watch television, eat outside, lounge around, all within one space in one place. So we actually met through a friend who works with Anthony, who recommended him after we had several estimates from other contractors. And he said if we go with Anthony, we would not be disappointed. And we are not disappointed. The team, including Anthony, was great. They were reliable. They were very responsible. They cleaned up after themselves. They were on time. They were always letting us know when they would be here, when they were leaving. They were very friendly, respectful. We couldn't say enough about it. And day one, when we met Anthony, he said, "My team is great. You'll be extremely happy with them." And we are.
Great, great. What do you think well, first of all, I just want to say the design. Was the design what you had in mind, was what you envisioned from the start?
Yes. So we had a vision in our head of how large we wanted the deck to be, and we wanted half of a roof so that we would have an indoor-outdoor living space. But we didn't have a lot of the details that we wanted assistance with and the design. So Anthony and his team gave us some ideas and did the design process for us and gave us recommendations on what would look the nicest for an outdoor living space.
Great, great. So let's just finish with this. In the future, would you recommend E Talley Construction for any future work to friends and family?
Yes, absolutely. And we would use Anthony again.
Great, great. So we just really want to take just say thank you again, for one, for choosing us as a contractor, for two, taking the opportunity out of your busy day to be able to talk to us about what your experience was with E Talley Construction. So this is Anthony from E Talley Construction signing off. Looking for a few likes, few suggestions. Give us a thumbs up. Let us know what you think about this interview, and this project. Signing out.